The last thing I want to say is to support this summit, today, the World Liquid Gas Association has established a Cooking for Life Africa task force, which is an industry-wide dedicated group which will promote and coordinate actions for affordable and sustainable LPG use across Africa. It will include developing an LPG roadmap for Africa, which we will release at COP29. I'm not going to talk about the details of what will be in that roadmap, but I think it's important to highlight that it will talk about the critical role of all stakeholders, public and private sector, to reach all of our shared goals. We commit to sharing this data, not just this, but also the operational data, the safety data required for LPG market development. The task force right now comprises Equinor, Petrodec, Oryx Energies, S&P Global, and Total Energies, and we're looking to extend this to other companies. And with that, I'd like to thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.